Good morning, everybody. This is Jeffrey Jansen. Guess what today is? October 1st, 2019. Wow, we made it. We made it once again to October. Holy cow, it's nice warm outside today. So how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing great. Hope you all are motivated. Hope you're all energized. Me, I'm trying to get motivated and energized. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little tired today, but that's okay. That comes with the territory of doing work all the time. All right, so what are you going to do today to make your day worthwhile? What are you going to do to get to that next position in life? Now, I hear all the time, a lot of people are always praying to God about this and praying to God about that. You know what I was kind of thinking about? There's a lot of people, like they may have some kind of, they're looking to get money for something, they're looking to do something, so they're sitting there praying to God to get this money. But technically, are they not praying to make sure that things go to the right area for the right reason and the right way? So a lot of these people that get mad if they don't get it, they basically, all of a sudden, they no longer believe in God or something. They all of a sudden are, mad at the world or mad at the person that give them the money or give them the chance or whatever else. But what if, like I said, nothing happens in our life without a reason? And we're not ever put into any situation, whether it be heavenly or just who we are. We never put ourselves in any situation that we cannot get through or that we don't know what to do anything about. Me, I've got all kinds of stuff that we do all the time. Am I perfect or the best at anything? Nope. But if I do a little bit of everything, maybe something will get done the right way. Now, why do I say it like that? And why am I saying this? Because there's a lot of people out there that get depressed. They're upset at the world. They're mad at the world. They're going through problems that we don't know about. And we have to be kind to those people. We have to be understanding of those people that are going through something that we don't always understand what they're going through. And I think that's a very important factor in everything we do in life, is we have to understand people for who they are. We have to forgive people for whenever they've done something bad against us. We have to basically be there for those that, whether we like them or not, we still need to be there for each other. We still need to be there in people's roughest times because we need them there when we're going through the roughest time. And there are some people, they're going to be there no matter how we treat them at all times. Well, remember that. Treat people good. Treat people fair. Treat people kind, Go that extra distance to get what you want in life. Go the extra distance to get your goals and your dreams. Push hard. Don't give up. Don't give up on each other. Don't just sit there and throw your arms up and say, I quit. Don't do that. That's stupid. Live outside the box. Do something that scares you every day. Do something that makes life worthwhile. Do something that's going to make you smile. If you have to, take a walk. If you're upset, take a break from reality for a little bit and just go and escape your problems by daydreaming or something. But be better today than who you were yesterday. Are all my ideas the greatest? Nope. But I can tell you this. You are worth it. You matter. You, yes, you, I'm talking directly to you. You are loved. You are important. And you're one of the greatest things that's ever happened to this planet. You're one of the greatest things that happened to anybody's life that you encounter. And that is what you need to remember. Because you, and only you, make a difference in this world. Think the world of you. Hope you have a great day. Remember, push every day to do your best, and you are awesome. You are worth it. And I will pray for you, and I will talk with you, and I will always smile and let you know how proud of you I am. Now go out and tell your kids the same thing. Go out and tell your friends the same thing. Talk to somebody you haven't talked to in a while. Be there for those that don't have anybody. Be that lonely traveler on the road, and whenever you come in contact with somebody, shake their hand, buy them a meal, get them a drink, and just let them know that they are in good hands when you're around. I'm Jeff Jansen, everybody. I'll talk to everybody soon.